Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run JavaScript. But first of all, let us install Live Server to help us to run our web pages. You go on extensions and type in Live Server install. So as you see, it is installing. So then next we go ahead and create our first file. Let us name it index.html. So we run JavaScript in web browsers which include Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and others. JavaScript is inserted within HTML documents. That's why you see that we have created an HTML file. So let us go ahead and type exclamation mark and then press enter. So Visual Studio automatically generates for you HTML document. So next, let us create another file named index.js. So this is where we are going to write our JavaScript code. But first of all, we have to link them. So we shall go and type script. In our body, we type script. Press enter. Some people write their JavaScript code inside here, but for me, I prefer creating another file, link them, and write JavaScript there. But you can also write your JavaScript code here. But as for me, I'll just write it this side. So if you want to write your JavaScript here, you don't need to link them. You can remove this. And just write your JavaScript here. But in order to keep your code clean, just create two files and link them. Let us write simple code. Alert. So this alert helps us to display a message in a pop-up dialog. Then you go back in your index.html. You right click and go to open in Live Server. Pop-up will come. Let me first comment out this. Don't worry about this. I will talk about comments in my next video. So, okay. So this console.log helps us display our message in the console. It will bring a blank page. So then you right click, go on inspect, go on console. You will be able to see our message. You can also ask a user to type in. So there we use prompt. We use prompt. How old are you? That's all for today. Let us meet in another video as we keep on learning JavaScript. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.